guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 5 Module 2 Lesson 18 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, estimate the quotients for the following problems. The first one is done for you. So the quotient is the answer to a division problem. So we're estimating the answer. So what we want to do is first look at the divisor, which is a number that we're dividing by. So 8,328 divided by 41. We want to first round 41 so then we can find an easy number for the dividend that our divisor will easily go into. So 41 rounds to 40. So now we look at 8,328. So we know 4 can go into 8, which means this number we can round to 8,000. And if we cross off the zeros too, then it becomes 800 divided by 4, which 8 divided by 4 is 2, and add the 2 zeros at the end, so that gives you 200. So let's try B. 2,109 divided by 23. First 23 rounds to 20. 2,109, let's see, 20 can go into 2, so then 2,000. Divide by 20, cross off the zeros. 200 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and add the 2 zeros at the end. So our answer is 100. Alright, let's see. C, 8,215 divided by 38. 38 rounds to 40. And 8,215 can round to 8,000. Cross off the zeros. 800 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and add the zeros. So our answer is 200. Alright, let's see. D, 59 rounds to 60. Now it leaves us 3,861. Let's see. 60 can go into 3,600. If we cross out the zeros, 360 divided by 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6, and add the zero at that. So our estimate would be 60. 66 can round to 70. And 2,899 can round it to 2,800. Now if we cross off the zeros, 280 divided by 7, that's 4, and bring the zero down. So our estimate would be 40. F, 92 goes to 90. And 5,576, well, let's see. 9 can go into 54, so we can round to 5,400. And cross off the zeros. 540 divided by 9. 54 divided by 9 would be 6, and bring the zero down. So our estimate will be 60. G, 73 would round to 70. Now 5,086, let's see, 7 times 7 is 49. So we can maybe go back to 4,900, or we can choose to go up to 5,600 where it can go by 8. I think we can go 4,900, and the zeros cancel out. 490 divided by 7, 49 divided by 7 is 7. Bring the zero down, so our answer is 70. Let's see. H, 81 rounds to 80. And 8,432 can just round to 8,000. Cross off the zeros. 8 divided by 8 is 1, and bring the 2 zeros down. So our estimate is 100. Alright, I, 89 rounds to 90. 9,032, I can just go to 9,000. Cross off the zeros. 900 divided by 9 is 1, and bring the 2 zeros down, so that's 100. Let's see, J, 48 rounds to 50. 2,759 can, let's see, 50 can go into 25, can go into 25, so we can round to 2,500. Cross off the zeros. 250 divided by 5, that's 50. So 50 would be our estimate. K, 91 rounds to 90. And 8,194 can go to 8,100. because 9 goes into 81. Cross off the zeros. 810 divided by 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9, and bring the 0 down, so our estimate would be 90. L, 63 goes, and we'll round to 60. 4,368, that's close to 4,200. Cross off the zeros. 420 divided by 6. 6 goes 7 times into 42, and bring the 0 down, so our estimate would be 70. M, 74 rounds to 70. And 6,537, that's close to 6,300. We'll round to that. Cross off the zeros. 630 divided by 7, that's 9, and bring the 0 down, 90. And we have 48 rounds to 50. 4,998, we can just make it 5,000. Cross off the zeros. 500 divided by 5 is 1, and bring the 2 zeros down. That's 100. O, 25 rounds to 30. And 6,106 can just round to 6,000. Cross off the zeros. 600 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and bring the 2 zeros down. So that's our answer. Alright, next page. Number 2. 91 boxes of apples hold a total of 2,605 apples. Assuming each box has about the same number of apples, estimate the total number of apples in each box. So to find that out, we do 2,605 divided by the 91 boxes. So first we estimate 91 rounds to 90. So 2,605, we can round to 2,700 since 9 goes into 27. Cross off the zeros. 270 divided by 9, that's 3, and bring the 0 down, 30. So that means there are about. I'm writing about because we don't know for sure that there's 30 because that's only our estimate. So there are about 30 apples in each box. Alright, number 3. A wild tiger can eat up to 55 pounds of meat in a day. About how many pounds would it take for a tiger to eat the following prey? Let's see. Antelope? Okay, let's just write antelope here. So we can solve them one by one. 1,754 divided by 55 pounds each day. Rounds to 55, rounds to 60. Let's see, 6 can go into 18, so I can round that number to 1,800. Cross off the zeros. 180 divided by 6, that will give us 30. So 30 is for the antelope. We can do our about thing, the rounded sign symbol, around 30 days. Let's see, a boar would be 661 pounds divided by 55. That'd be around, just do 600 divided by 60. Cross off the zeros. 60 divided by 6 would be 10. So our answer would be about 10 days for a boar. Let's see, a chattel deer. I don't know, I'll just write deer. 183 divided by 55 rounds to, I can write by tell, that's already 60. 183 can go 180 divided by 60 equals 18 divided by 6 is 3. So this one would take around 3 days. All right, a water buffalo, just write buffalo. 2,322 divided by 55 rounds to, let's see, 60 can go, 6 can go into 24. So you can do round up to 2,400 divided by 60. Cross off the zeros equals 24 divided by 6 is 4. Now the 0 at the end, 40. So around 40 days. There. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.